Hey guys, it's Miss Foley. I'm getting ready to read a story to you. Are you so excited? Because I am. So, our story today is called Planting Seeds by Catherine Clay. Before we start reading, I have a question for you. Are you ready? My question is, do you think this story is fiction, fake, or nonfiction? Real? What do you think? Let's look at the front cover to help us make our choice. What do you see on the front cover? That's right, you see a photo. A photo is a real picture. It's not a drawing or a sketch. This is a real picture of a person planting a seed. So what do you think? Fiction, fake, or nonfiction? Real? That's right. I think it's nonfiction too. So if it's nonfiction, that means the author's purpose is to inform. The author's trying to teach us, right? What is the author trying to teach us about? Planting seeds. So your job while we read is to turn those listening ears on, follow along with me, and you're going to learn a bunch of information about planting seeds. Are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, let's see what's on this page, the table of contents. We've learned a lot about the table of contents last week. What is the table of contents for? Why does the author put this in the book? That's right, the author puts it in the book to help their readers find information quickly. So maybe you just need to read about who is planting the seeds. If you just want to read about who's planting the seeds, what page are you going to go to? Let's see, who plants seeds? Page what? 14. What if you want to read about spring is here? And what happens then? What page? Spring is here, page 4. Good job. Are you ready to get started with our book? Here we go. Spring is here. You see that exclamation point? I had to make sure to read that with excitement. Can you read it with me? Spring is here. Cold winter weather ends. It's time to plant seeds. Look at those tractors. They're going through and they're making lines to plant their seeds. Oh, here we go. From seed to plant. Seeds need rain and sun. Spring storms water the seeds. Look at that sky. What do you think's getting ready to happen there? I think it's getting ready to rain too. And what do seeds need? That's right, they need rain. So that's a good thing. Those plants need that rain. Seeds crack open. Roots push down. Look at those seeds. They're splitting open, and that part right there, that's the root. It's going to go into the ground and bury itself. Just like when we write a G, we say bury that root under the line. Seeds push up from the soil. They are called shoots. See this little thing right here? What is it called? A shoot. Green leaves grow. Small buds form. Then the flowers bloom. What are these things called right here? Those are the buds. And then this beautiful flower grows out. Who plants seeds? It's a question. Who plants seeds? A farmer plants seeds. Corn grows tall in the fields. Who's planting the seeds here? The farmer, that's right. And what is he planting? Corn. A gardener plants seeds. She grows food in her backyard. Wow, who is this? It's a gardener. So we have a farmer who plants seeds and a gardener who plants seeds. Miss Rosa's class plants seeds. They grow grass. We could have done this if we were in school. That's a teacher with her students, and she's teaching them about seeds. So we have a farmer, we have a gardener, and we have a class. Good job. Louis and his dad plant seeds. They grow flowers. What seeds will you plant? And now we have a family who's planting seeds. Maybe they're planting those flower seeds because they want a butterfly garden at their house. Or maybe they just want to add some pretty flowers in the front of their house. What kind of seeds would you plant if you could plant seeds? So now I have a question for you. Let's see. Actually, first let's go over our glossary and our index. So, glossary. What is a glossary for? A glossary is just like a dictionary. So we can look at the back of the book for words that maybe we don't know what they mean. So if I was looking at this, I would have said, I don't really know what a shoot is. Let's see. It says shoot, the stem growing out of the seed that becomes the plant. Oh, I remember reading that. That's when the seed first starts to sprout. It's the first little part that you see. What if I wanted to say, what is a seed? A seed is a tiny part of a plant from which a new plant grows. The seed is what we plant under the ground. Now the index. The index helps us go back and read about information. So it tells us what page we could find this information on. So if I wanted to read about buds, I would know I could go to page 12. But if I wanted to read about planting, oh my goodness, you see that? I'd have to go to a lot of pages. So I would have to go to 4, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This is another quick way to go back and find information to reread. Now, here's my question for you. Who plants seeds in this picture? Who is planting those seeds? That's right, the farmer is. And what kind of seeds is he planting? Corn seeds, you're right. But farmers, they weren't the only ones that plant seeds in this book. Look at this picture. We have a farmer planting seeds, a gardener planting seeds, a class planting seeds, and a dad and his son planting seeds. Why do you think the author gave so many examples of different people who plant seeds? This is a deep thinking question. Why did the author give so many examples? Do you know? If you said because they want you to realize, they want the readers to realize that the only person that plants seeds isn't a farmer and it isn't just a gardener, anybody can plant seeds. And people plant seeds for different reasons. This farmer, he plants seeds because it's his job. He sells those crops. This teacher, why is she planting seeds? She's teaching, right? That's why they're planting seeds. She's teaching her class. So anybody can plant a seed, and people do it for different reasons. You guys did such a great job today with our book. I'm so proud of you.